How dear viewers, your attention please, ladies and gentlemen. All you are welcome from my YouTube channel, The Honey and Hero of English. The Honey and Hero of English. Okay, now I must explain between present perfect tense and present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense and present perfect tense. Okay, follow me once again. I think you have already watched my board and you understand something. But now I will have to explain one by one. Please follow the board. Sometimes same construction may be in both present indefinite and present perfect tenses, but grammatically changing the meanings. Okay? Here, AUXI stands for auxiliary verb, MV for main verb, ADJ is for adjective. Okay. Follow. Tenses. Present, indefinite, present, perfect. Number one, I have given money. Present indefinite tense. I have given money. Present perfect tense. Both sentences are equal. But first, the difference between two sentences. Both sentences look same but grammatically change. Follow me. Number one, I have given money. It is present indefinite tense. The hard and fast rule and regulations of present indefinite tense, we must use subject and then main verb and next others. Here, I has been used, have has been used as a main verb. Given has been used as an adjective. Understand? Means I have some money which has been already given to me. Okay. I have given money. I have some money which has been already given to me. In the case of present perfect tense, I have given money. Here, I subject. According to rule and regulations of present perfect tense, we must use subject. According to subject, has or have must be used as an auxiliary, then others. I have given money. Have has been used as an auxiliary and given has been used as a main verb. Okay. Here I has been used as a subject and have has been used as an auxiliary. Given has been used as a main verb. Means I had some money which has been already given by me. Here meaning I had some money which has been already given by me. Not given to me, but given by me. Not given to me, but given by me. Understand? Okay. If you don't understand, you must ask me once again. I shall try my level best to make you understand better. Okay. Next follow. If I have given money is present indefinite tense. But what will be in present perfect tense? In response to this sentence, in response to this question, I can say, please listen to me once again. I have given money if it is present indefinite tense. But what will be in present perfect tense? In response to this question, I may say, I have given money. Why? Here, have has been used as an auxiliary, given has been used as a main verb, given has been used as an auxiliary, as an adjective. Okay. But here, I have given money, I subject and have main verb, given has been used as an adjective. In the case of present indefinite. In the case of present perfect, I have given money. Have has been used as an auxiliary. Given has been used as a main verb. Given has been used as an adjective. Given money. Okay. Here means the money I have has been, the money I have has been given to me. Okay. The money I have has been given to me. But in the case of present perfect, the money given to me has been already given by me. Okay. Next, follow. The more examples may be followed as she has bought books. She has bought books. She has purchased books. But she has bought books. She has bought books. Here, has been used as an auxiliary. Bought has been used as a main verb. Bought has been used as an adjective. Okay, but in the case of present indefinite, she has bought books. Has been used as a main verb. And bought has been used as an adjective. Okay, she has bought books. In the case of present indefinite tense, in the case of present perfect tense, sometimes both sentences may be same but grammatically changed. They have elected president. They have elected president. Their subject have main verb, elected adjective. Here, the subject have auxiliary, elected main verb, elected adjective, etc. You have written sentences. Here, have has been used as a main verb, written has been used as an adjective. You have written sentences. Have has been used as an auxiliary, written has been used as main verb, written has been used as an adjective. Okay. I think you better understand. The present indefinite and present perfect, both are different each other, but some sentences, some constructions may be equal but grammatically changed. I want to say that. Okay. You may verify and check with the authentic books and papers. That isn't me things to understand better, and I request you, if you like this video and if you wish to get this video once again, you are respectfully requested to subscribe my channel and share the video to others. Okay? Thank you for watching the video. Okay? Goodbye.